can hear some abnormal voice on the acceleration when I press the gas. When I release it, there's no noise. When I hit the gas, it's noisy. I don't think it's normal.